So this is the question. Observe the question, pause the video and try to solve this question on your own. In this question, a right circular cone is given and the volume of this cone is given as 13,600 centimeter cube. Further in this question, we have to find the angle which the slant height makes with the base radius. This is the slant height of a cone and this is the base radius, that is the radius of the base. We have to find the angle between the slant height and the base radius, that is this angle we have to find. Okay, so let's find this angle. Here the concept of the volume and the concept of the trigonometry will be used. Let's see. Here the volume of the cone is given as 13,600 centimeter cube. We know the formula of a volume of a cone, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h. R is the radius and h is the height of the cone. The radius, it is given as 20 centimeter. Let's put it into the formula. Volume is also given. Let's solve for h. H is equal to 3 into 13,600 upon pi into 20 square. Let's put pi as 3 as given in the question. Here 3 and 3 will cancel out. These zeros will cancel out. We got 136 upon 4, which is equal to 34 centimeter. We got height of the cone as equal to 34 centimeter. Got it? We got the height of the cone. The radius is already given in the question. We have to find this angle. Let's assume this angle as angle theta. If you observe, this is a right angle triangle. Once we got a right angle triangle, we can easily apply the trigonometry in the triangle. Here our angle theta is a trigonometric angle. Let's find the trigonometric sides. Trigonometric sides are perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Here 34 centimeter, this side will be equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is the side which is opposite to trigonometric angle and this is a trigonometric angle. So the side 34 centimeter is the perpendicular for this triangle. Further, what is base? Base is the side between the 90-degree angle and the trigonometric angle. So the side 20 centimeter is the base of this triangle. Got it? And what is the relation between the perpendicular and the base? It is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. If you want to revise the concept, the link is given in the description, the complete series, including the formula list and the quiz. Check it out. Further, we got tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 34, base is 20. So tan theta will be equal to 34 upon 20. And 34 upon 20, it will be equal to 1.7. We got tan theta as 1.7. And if you refer the question, 1.7, it is root 3. In the note it is given, take root 3 as 1.7. So we got tan theta is equal to root 3. And for what angle? The value of tan theta, it is root 3. Let's refer the trigonometric ratio table. Tan theta is equal to root 3 at 60-degree angle. Note that the value of tan theta, tan 30, tan 45 and tan 60. These three values you must remember. These will be mostly used in the examination. Tan 30 degree, it is 1 upon root 3. Tan 45, it is 1. Tan 60, it is root 3. Rest of the trigonometric ratio table you should also know. How to remember the complete trigonometric ratio table? The link is given in the description. Check it out. Further, we got angle theta as 60 degree. That is the answer of the question. So how we have solved this question? We have used two concepts. First, the volume of a right circular cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And we have used the concept of trigonometry, that is tan theta, which is perpendicular upon base. And we have also used the concept of trigonometric side, that is perpendicular is the side opposite to trigonometric angle and base is the side between 90-degree angle and trigonometric angle. Based on these three concepts, we have solved this question. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA Classes. Check out the description for various links to various resources. If the content is helpful, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much and best of luck.